Picture this. You're a gardener, tending to your lush and vibrant financial garden. The sun of opportunity shines down upon your carefully selected seeds of investment, and with each passing day they grow taller and stronger. As you step back to admire your diverse and flourishing garden, you realize that the world of finance has undergone a significant transformation over the years. In this educational journey, we will explore the major shifts in the investing and financial world, offer actionable advice based on future insights, and discover how to sow the seeds of success in your very own financial garden. Shifts in the financial world. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for modern investors. One of the most notable shifts has been the rise of sustainable investing. Gone are the days when financial success was solely measured by profits. Today, investors seek companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and ethical governance. The pursuit of a more equitable and sustainable future has led to the emergence of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing. Sustainable investing not only aligns with the values of many investors, but also offers excellent financial returns. Companies with strong ESG practices tend to be better equipped to navigate challenges and thrive in the long run. Investors who recognize the potential of sustainable investments are planting seeds for both their financial prosperity and the betterment of the world. Another significant shift in the financial world has been the unstoppable march of technological innovations. Disruptive technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing have reshaped the financial landscape. These technologies offer unprecedented opportunities for growth and diversification. Blockchain, for instance, has revolutionized the way we think about currency and transactions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the world by storm, offering decentralized and secure alternatives to traditional finance. While the crypto market has its share of risks, savvy investors who carefully navigate this space have the chance to reap considerable rewards. Artificial intelligence and big data have also transformed the way investments are managed. Algorithmic trading and robo-advisors have made sophisticated investment strategies accessible to the masses. These technological advancements empower investors with more information and analysis, allowing them to make informed decisions and optimize their portfolios. Democratization of investing is yet another crucial shift in the financial world. In the past, investing was perceived as a realm exclusively reserved for the wealthy elite. However, with the advent of fractional shares, micro-investing apps, and accessible financial education, the barriers to entry have crumbled. Now, even individuals with limited resources can start their investment journey with a few dollars and a smartphone. This democratization has opened up a world of possibilities for wealth building and financial security. Just like a bountiful garden thrives with a variety of plants, the financial garden flourishes with diverse investments accessible to all. Actionable advice: cultivating your financial garden. Diversify your seeds. Just as a diverse garden is more resilient to pests and disease, a well-diversified investment portfolio can weather the storms of market volatility. Invest in a mix of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Diversification spreads risk and provides a solid foundation for long-term growth. Prune and trim regularly. A garden that is not tended to becomes overgrown and unruly. Similarly, an investment portfolio requires regular attention and maintenance. Review your holdings periodically, assess their performance, and make necessary adjustments. Remove underperforming assets and reallocate funds to better opportunities. Nurture your knowledge. Successful gardeners stay informed about the latest gardening techniques and trends. Likewise, successful investors continuously expand their financial knowledge. Attend workshops, read books, follow market updates, and seek advice from experienced investors. Knowledge is the water that nourishes your financial garden and helps it flourish. Be patient, yet opportunistic. A garden doesn't grow overnight, and neither does wealth. Be patient during periods of market turbulence and avoid making impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. However, be ready to seize opportunities that present themselves during market downturns. Buying quality assets at discounted prices can be a game changer for your financial garden's long-term success. Harvest and replant. As your garden yields fruits of success, it's essential to enjoy the rewards. However, don't forget to reinvest your gains. Replanting a portion of your profits allows you to harness the power of compounding, making your financial garden more abundant with time. Every gardener knows that trial and error is an integral part of the journey. As a young investor, I vividly remember planting my first seeds in the financial garden. Some seeds flourished, while others withered. But those initial experiences taught me invaluable lessons about patience, discipline, and the importance of continuous learning. And speaking of learning, let's not forget that even the greenest thumbs may encounter the occasional financial weed. These pesky weeds come in the form of impulsive decisions, emotional trading, and get-rich-quick schemes. So grab your financial gardening gloves and be ready to weed out those detrimental habits. As we conclude our journey through the vast landscape of finance, it's evident that the winds of change have brought forth new opportunities and challenges. The rise of sustainable investing, technological innovations, and the democratization of investing have transformed the financial world. By sowing the seeds of success through diversification, continuous learning, and disciplined decision-making, you can cultivate a bountiful financial garden. Remember, just like a garden requires consistent care and attention, your financial garden demands ongoing commitment and patience. So equip yourself with knowledge, embrace the opportunities, and tend to your garden with love. With dedication and a forward-thinking mindset, you can nurture your financial garden into a thriving oasis of prosperity. As you embark on your financial journey, remember that every garden is unique, and each investor's path to success may differ. If you've enjoyed this journey through the world of financial gardening, don't forget to like this article and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Subscribe to our newsletter for more insightful content on investing and finance, and happy gardening.